ऐसा करना हो इधर रहो, वहाँ नहीं होता।
इधर खड़ना फन। इधर खड़ना, इधर खड़ो। इधर फिर नानी में हाँ उधर जाना, झाड़ के पास जाना।
और गाइस यहाँ पर और यहाँ पर मैं अपना फोटो खींचना आ रहा हूँ। रुको गाइस थोड़ा स्टॉप कर।
So that's why because designer because in Islamic country that is not allowed. For that reason there is no all over world they themselves go they do the betting but here it is not allowed here. So they are not playing as a casino style that is only as like sports. In that when he started the first horse riding here by the name of Dubai World Cup by doing jockey himself Sheikh Mohammed has won the 11 times horse World Cup. He is a very good rider. By doing jockey himself, he won the 11 times World Cup. So he loved to collect and buy the best of the best horses. What we will stay in a luxury, their horses live in a luxury. You know, they have their own private hospital, they have air-conditioned stables, they have their own hospitals, their own private. They are the royal horses. So this is the way how he does it. So that's why he put it on his palace gate, the horses to choose. This is all the Dubai Creek, but it is connected with the Dubai Canal now. There is a new canal that is called Man-Made Canal. They had Jalara or Burj Khalifa or you can say Burj Dubai to see their infrastructure. They don't have much more history. They don't have much more things about the history to know about them. But whatever it's a small one, but the people are visiting this country basically for their infrastructure. Because most of the people came to see the Burj Khalifa, right? The world's tallest tower they heard, huh? World's tallest tower. That is the big thing, how they have made this high-rise building in the desert. That is the big thing, right? In the desert there is no foundation, nothing is there. Wherever they want, the desert can follow, right? For that reason, how they have made these buildings, so that the people are visiting. The first tourism focus they started, that is the Dubai Coffee, that is the Dubai King, His Highness Sheikh Rashid bin Saeed Al Maktoum, father of Prince Ruler of Dubai. His aim to bring his country in the world #1 as a tourism. So he is a person who started, you can say, the person who take the oil money and he use in a very big way. because they says that whatever the rules and laws we had made, if we will not follow, how I will force other people to follow? So that is the reason they themselves follow. Back to everybody's. Basically, to keep in a mind of their people, because they're the local people and they're their people. So what they will do, they have to do according to them. For that reason, the government has done that one. I will follow, then my people, foreigners are in their country, they have to follow. But basically, this aim to make their people to follow. So this is the way how he himself follows, the other people are also following. So that's why there is no ruler, they don't have any bodyguard, any security, no nothing. They're going anywhere, anytime. Maybe next car is car, he is seeing to you, he is listening to you. Sometimes it happens. Sometimes Sheikh Mohammed visit to the tourist places to check with the tourist how it is going on, how you are feeling in this country. Are coming to this country, how you are feeling. What is the feedback of yours? That thing itself they do. Why? Because they want to know that tourist who is coming to a country, either they are happy or no. And then light or no, on what they want more, which they can provide. So this is the thing it happens. Okay, now we came to the Dubai frame. Dubai frame is the world's tallest photo frame building. Its height is 150 meters. It was built in the Zabir Park. This is the park is known as a Zabir Park. Why they have built it here? Because designer Sheikh Mohammed want the people who are visiting here, they can see their journey from this to that.
Dubai frame.
If you go on the top of the viewpoint, there is on the top on 150-meter height, there is a viewpoint. If you go up, one side you will see the full old Dubai and one side you will see all modern Dubai. So you can recognize what are their journey from what to what. So this is the way why they have built it in this place. Because this opposite side is total old Dubai. This side, back side of this Dubai frame is total modern Dubai. This is the golden color what you are seeing, that is all 23 karat gold plated. That is all plated, not gold. That is all gold plated. This is 23 karat gold plated. Before it was designed in a silver, but it was not looking that good. So when they started on the top, it's not looking attractive, then they have changed in the gold one. So that is one. The design of this in that it was a logo of Expo. There is Expo 2020, right? There is a logo of Expo design. It is on this design, the Dubai frame. The person who started the horse race here. So every year March there is a horse race, but the people say there is a betting and all. No, in this country, this is the one country where
बस के अंदर जाना, वहाँ पर रही हुआ बस से
27936. नहीं मैं वीडियो कर ले रहा हूँ, सो फोटो मार ले तुम्हें.
बहुत गाली कर रही है.
चल जल्दी जल्दी. क्या डाल ले इरफान?
और गाइस आप वहाँ पर बुर्ज खलीफा देख सकते हो, इतनी बड़ी दिख रही है. हम बहुत पास भी आ चुके हैं उसके, वैसे तो मुझे पता ही नहीं बुर्ज खलीफा इतनी पास आ चुकी है.
चल जल्दी जल्दी.
यहाँ का थोड़ा ठंडा है.
धूप बहुत ज़्यादा है.
बुर्ज खलीफा पे है। गर्मी ना बहुत ज्यादा है।
हाँ दादी है देखो
Except the pearl. So that's why they have purchased from India and they have done the trading. On your right hand side, this is the wall you are seeing. This is whole palace. This is the palace of His Highness Sheikh Hamariam. Sheikh Hamariam, who is the, you can say, she is the chairman of Charity Council of UAE. But at present, she is expired already. Her daughter is now the chairman of that department. That is why here the government is not allowing for the begging. There is no beggars here. If anybody is asking, if you are giving, you are also criminal, and who is asking, they are also criminal. So that is, don't give. If anybody is asking, don't give anything to them, because we don't know, maybe they are the CIDs and asking for you, and maybe you will caught. So that is the reason here the government didn't allow the beggars. If you need any help, any problem to your home or here or anything, you can go to the Charity Council and they will help you out. But don't ask for the. Why? Because this country is focusing on tourism, and this is country now economy was depend on tourism. So for that reason, the government didn't want the tourists to be uncomfortable. That why are the people are coming and they feel uncomfortable that things will be stolen or whatever it is. So many things are there. So for that reason, they didn't allow anything. So that's why there is very much charity councils. If you are genuine, if you need any help very badly or anything, it is genuine, they will help you out. That they do within 24 hours. They can find out whatever their investigation they'll do, and within 24 hours they will help. In their country, it's okay. They can help without anything. There are so many things. If there is nobody, if anything happens with you, the government department, the government hospital, you get the free medicines, medical treatment, everything will be free. That is the government they do. So the first stop we have, we are going to the Zabir Palace. That is His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. Very big name. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, who is the ruler of Dubai and a Vice President and Prime Minister of UAE. The other Prime Minister of UAE, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, who is the ruler of Abu Dhabi and a President of UAE. Why their name is so big? Because they use their father and family name so that the people can recognize easily from which part of Emirates they are, which ruling families, and what are they. For that reason, they put father and family name, because at present Abu Dhabi and Dubai ruler name is same, Sheikh Mohammed. How you will recognize who is Abu Dhabi and Dubai? For that reason, they put their father and family name. Bin means the word son. In English we call son. So in Arabic the son word is called bin. For girls it is called binat.
Binat.
So that's what bin. Rashid is his father name. Maktoum is the family name. Why we put, many of the guests ask me why they put Al. Al means in the respect of the verb that we put, like the. In Hindi we put Shri, Shrimati, like that. That is only, that is called Al. The word Al in Arabic. So at Zabir Palace we are going, but unfortunately we didn't get the appointment with the king. So we are not going to meet him inside. From outside we can see his palace. Sorry for that, we didn't get the appointment with the king. Next time sure, inshallah, I will try. So that is why we will go to and we will see the palace from outside.